the investors fund the person. So who is this person behind this business? Is the person having the skills and knowledge of the business itself? Do they have the qualities to run this business successfully? Do they have the education, the formal education that is required to run this business correctly? They are the principles. That's one. Secondly, do you understand, have full understanding of the product or a service that your business is doing? Can somebody come and ask you your product? How much does it cost to develop it? Who are your suppliers? Are you pricing it right? All those questions should be answered. You should just know them like you know at the back of your palm. The service also, you need to be able to explain, to sell your service like, they say somebody should be able to sell eyes to a Eskimo, So you need to be able to get to that. But also, who is your target market? We have got entrepreneurs that comes and say, I would like to start a business to manufacture student clothing. And then they will tell you that in Gauteng, we have got so many schools with millions of students that need the uniforms and everything. But how are you going to get these people to come? How are you going to attract them to come to your business and buy your product? It's good and all to say they are all there, but if they are where they are, they don't know about you, there's no way you're not going to be able to make that sale. So you need to be able to define your market. You need to be able to know how to get into this market. There's products that you can sell over the internet. There's products where you can distribute brochures. There's products that need you to pay visit, to talk to clients, to go and make presentations. So you need to get the right strategy to attract the right market. There's also the issue of financials. If you are able to say, I have got this product, I'm going to price it at this amount, and I'm going to sell it to these people or this many people, then you can be able to use that information to then be able to say, I can project that I'll be able to make this amount. And when I make this amount, after having deployed this amount of capital, I'll be left with this much. If you look at that value chain, you have then borrowed money. Now you as a driver, we know who you are, you know your product, you know who you're gonna sell it to, you know you're gonna sell it for how much, and you know how much it's gonna give you. Now you know that if you take this amount of money, you'll be able to repay this loan. That's it. You get that, you get your funding. That's understanding the environment of your business. Critical, and no financial official investment official will reject that, because numbers speaks for themselves. You can plug them in a bank's you scoring, you plug them there, the results will come and say approved. Because business is business, whether it's in the IDC, the NEF, CEDFA, GEP, we are looking at exactly the same thing. The difference could just be the different industries.